Especially in Nairobi, we would want to plead with our supporters. We know how much you love Mzee. We know that there will be a pouring of love. But when we came from the current home, it has been overrun and overwhelmed. The space there simply cannot accommodate all the numbers of the people who want to come and condole and to say pole. I want to make a very special request, both as a leader in Nairobi and the SG of ODM. Our people must now stop going to Mama Ida's house because she's there alone and she's overwhelmed. We understand the love and in fact the discussion amongst the leadership is that we need to set up some points for people who would want to mourn Mzee. It doesn't necessarily have to be Karen. We want to ask as well that everybody maintains peace. You should ask yourself before you do anything what Mzee would have wanted wherever he is right now. What would make him smile and proud of you in this particular moment in time? There is no point in causing any mayhem, disrupting traffic, or indeed attacking anybody's businesses. This is not what Mzee would have wanted. We are here as a leadership. As you heard the president announce, there has been arrangements that have been made for a few of us to travel so that we bring Mzee back home. We expect that we will be leaving any time now because they had indicated that the flight would leave at 4:30. So that's why we're here, Leto, and I am happy that you're here with us just to document all of this. And we say pole to the entire country and the entire world. Also apologies to all the people, all the leaders across the country, our chairmen, our youth leaders, our women leaders who've been calling from morning. We have explained the reason why we were not able to answer all of your questions and all of your texts and all of your calls is because the protocols around a man as great as Raila do not allow us to answer you immediately. But once the president has spoken, the news is out there, and the family had to be given the lead on this, then the rest of us can be able to answer some of the questions that you have for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, that's the team that is